Question number 4. Determine the system of inequalities associated with the polygon of constraints below. We're going to start with this one. And our b value is 8. We are moving over, like so we start at this point, we get to that point. So I'm moving over 1, 2, 3, 4. So my delta x is 4, my delta y is 1. 1 over 4 is the slope. And the b is 8, so 1 over 4x plus 8. It's dotted, and we're shading below, so y is less than 1 over 4x plus 8. My delta y is 1, my delta x is 4. Let's look at this one next. My b is 9, my slope moving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over and down 1, 2, 3. So negative 3 is my delta y, 5 is my delta x. So it's negative 3 over 5 is the slope. This is a solid line and we're shading above, so y is greater than or equal to, the delta y was negative 3 because we were going down 3. We went down 1, 2, 3, and then over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the delta x is 5, the delta y is negative 3. So negative 3 over 5. X plus the b value. It crosses the y-axis at 9, so the b value is 9. Next one, this line. The b value is 5. I'm moving over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then down 1. So my delta y is negative 1, my delta x is 5. I'm shading above, it's dotted, so y is greater than negative 1/5 x plus the b value, which is 5. Plus 5. Lastly, this line, the AB. To get from the A to the B, I'm going to delta x over 3 and delta y down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do y2 minus y1 if you want. The y2 is the y value at the B, which is 8. And the y1 is the y value at the A, which is 13. So y2 take away y1 would be 8 take away 13, which is negative 5. My delta y, either way you look at it, it's negative 5. The delta x is 3. It is a solid line. We are shading above that line. Y is greater than or equal to, the delta y is negative 5, the delta x is 3, x plus 13. Because it's solid, it's greater than or equal to, it's got the equal to because it's solid, but because we're shading above, it's greater than. Y is greater than or equal to negative 5/3 x plus 13. 4b, indicate for each vertex of the polygon of constraints whether it belongs to the feasible region or not. I'm going to start with point number 1, right here, point 1. Point 2 and point 3. That's the 3 vertex of the polygon of constraints that we can see. Presumably this is going to go on forever and keep expanding. The pink part kind of runs away. This would be totally unbounded. I'm going to start with point 1. It's on a dotted line, so this is not part of the feasible region, so I'm going to say no. Point 2, solid line, that is not, but this one, solid line, yes. The next point 3 right here, the next corner, the next vertex is no, it's on a dotted line, so no. No, yes, and no. Determine whether the graphical representation corresponds to a bounded or unbounded. Well, we already established that this was unbounded, so the pink part just kind of runs away. Unbounded as far as we know. All right, and that's it for question number 4. Have a good day.